We have all been told a lie. We have been told that one day we will just wake up feeling confident, that eventually the fear will vanish and we will finally be ready to take that big step. And so we wait, we run away from the things that make us nervous, thinking we are protecting our peace. But have you noticed? The more you run, the smaller your world becomes. And the more you avoid, the louder your anxiety gets. Today, I am going to show you why running is actually destroying your self esteem and how to build the kind of confidence that doesn't shake when things get hard. Confidence is not a personality trait, it is a muscle. Imagine walking into a gym and feeling anxious because you can't bench press 200 pounds. Would you say you lack confidence? No, you had say you haven't put in the reps. Social confidence, career confidence, and even dating confidence work the exact same way. If you haven't put in the reps, of course you will feel anxious. Anxiety is just your brain's way of saying, we haven't practiced this enough to feel safe yet. When you avoid a challenge, you are telling your brain that the challenge is a threat. But when you face it head on, even if you fail, you are teaching your nervous system that you can handle the outcome. Every time you skip that meeting or dodge that difficult conversation, you feel a momentary sense of relief. But that relief is a trap. It's a short term gain for a long term loss. By running, you are confirming your own fears. You are telling yourself, I am not the kind of person who can deal with this. Confidence is built in the aftermath. It's the feeling you get after you survive the thing you were afraid of. You don't need to be fearless to start. You just need to be willing to be uncomfortable for a few minutes. So, stop asking yourself, how can I feel more confident? Instead, ask, what reps am I avoiding today? Because the goal isn't to be perfect, the goal is to be active. If you want to be a better communicator, you have to have 100 awkward conversations first. If you want to be a good leader, you have to make 50 mistakes in front of your team. You cannot think your way into confidence. You have to act your way there. Facing things head on doesn't mean you aren't scared. It means you realize that the fear of staying the same is greater than the fear of the task itself. Remember, confidence is the reward for courage. It's the prize you get for not running away. Your small win for today: find one thing you have been avoiding this week: a phone call, an email, a workout. Do it today, not because you feel ready, but because you need the rep. Put in the work, and the confidence will eventually find you. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next one.